Your excuses aren't going to make you rich, right? A lot of people make excuses, and some of them are so stupid, right? People say, I want to think about it. People say, I'm going to start when I feel ready. People say, only special people can do it. I don't believe I can do it. People say, I have no time. People say all of these stupid excuses, right? And this is what I'm trying to say to you guys in this video. Your excuses aren't going to make you rich. You're going to make excuses till the day you die, right? Do you want to become rich? Do you want to become successful? Because let me tell you something, excuses are not going to make you rich. And the only way to truly become rich, the only way to truly become successful is by taking action. Guys, everyone has a sad story. Everyone has issues in their life. Everyone goes through things, right? But until you don't realize that your excuses are holding you back, nothing's going to change, because there's never going to be a time where you feel like it's the right time. There's never going to be a moment where you just have more time either, right? Think about it. You're working a 9-to-5 job, right? Things are getting harder and harder every single day. Your bills, you can barely afford to pay your bills. You're just about surviving every single day, right? What's the point? Why are you not trying to change your life? Because for a lot of you guys, all you need to do is take action. And I'm telling you right now, action solves 99% of problems, genuinely. 99% of problems, action will solve it. And ultimately, you guys have to understand is that your excuses aren't going to make you rich. They're never going to make you rich, right? They're going to keep you broke because you're not going to take the required action. Now, if you are new watching this, you don't know who I am. My name is Alim. I used to work a 9-to-5 job in the UK. I myself used to make excuses. I myself used to put myself down, say I didn't have time, come up with all this dumb shit. I know where you guys are coming from. I know, because I was that guy. Literally 2 years ago, I was working a 9-to-5 job and I took the biggest risk of my life. I quit my job, packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. I knew that for me to become exceptional, for me to make money online, I had to do something that most people won't be willing to do, right? Which is to take risk. And that's what I did, because I knew for me to become the person that is rich, successful, and is living comfortably and is financially free, I had to take these decisions. Whereas most people working a 9-to-5 job would have looked at me, and trust me, a lot of people did, thought I was an idiot, thought I was crazy, all of these things, right? But now I am financially free.